Hi, what's up, Dogecoin holder? Dogecoin is completely on the trending in the current time, and I have special news for all Dogecoin holder now, my brother. This news is very important for all of you, and absolutely I will update, my brother. So kindly, holder, please must watch this all video to understand better now. My brother, first of all, as you can see here, the Dogecoin price change occurred, as you can see here, completely 1 hour, last 7 days, 1 day, all is change occurring positive now. So that's a very good, and congratulations all of you now. My brother, the rank, as you can see here, 7. I think they will hit now exor fee, and when they hit now, so their rank has come to 6 now. All right, brother, this time the market cap, as you can see here, 27 million billion, and you can see 24-hour volume. So this is 1 billion, and you can see circulating supply 130 billion. And my brother, this time you can see here the USD price is 0.2 USD dollar. So I hope the price will be increasing in upcoming time. And my brother, the last 7 days chart, as you can see here, the last 7 days they will just only get 1.72% profit. I think this will be also very good now, my brother. Alright, as you can see here, this time, my friend, the direction is completely moving. It fails down, but again after a fails, they will take a very huge jump now. So that's a really good, my brother, and that's an amazing super, my brother. So they will jump after a fails. Remember, to every coin will pumps up. So therefore, Dogecoin will also pumps up and moving in upward direction. This time the price of Dogecoin is 0.2 USD dollar, my brother. I hope the price will be increasing in upcoming days, and definitely, my friend, the hour by hour, minute by minute, the price is increasing. So that's a really great, my brother, for all of you now. Thanks for watching, Dogecoin holder. Hope you understand something new in this video. Please, the giveaway is also coming soon now. So if you want to participate, so just only subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for videos notification.